Are you a distracted reader? If so, then you may want to try viewing your lesson in text mode. Text mode removes decorative images, and left justifies the text on the document. Images with alt tags are shown in this view. Changes that you make to the font size, font, and background text color combination will be shown in this view. The text mode tool is located on the lower toolbar of ReadSpeaker Web Reader, and the icon has a box with an arrow in it. Notice that you can play, pause, or stop the reading. Let's listen to part of our document.
Each person has different learning preferences.
You can also increase the font size by clicking on the A+, and decrease the font size by clicking on the A-. You can increase or decrease the volume by sliding the marker to the right or left respectively. You can also increase or decrease the reading speed by sliding the marker on the slide bar to the right or left respectively. You have an icon that has a capital A, a lowercase a, and a gear on it. This is the Text Settings tool. You can change the font size, font, and background color. Changes made to the text settings only appear in the text view of the document. If you are a distracted reader, or need a different text and background color from the standard black text on a white background, or need a different font, then you will want to try viewing your document in this mode.